battling with cellulite and you are thinking of a way to get rid of that stubborn cellulite out of your hip, in this video I'm going to show you how you can take away cellulite out of your hip. Don't skip this video, watch to the end. Hello, you are welcome to Wiki Skincare. In Wiki Skincare, we talk about cream products and we also talk about remedies to stretch marks, remedies to white splashes, and remedies to green veins. In case you are seeing me for the first time, this is Wiki Skincare. Do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to click on the notification bell. That anytime we place new video, you will get notification that Wiki Skincare has posted a new video. To my whole subscribers, I want to appreciate you. Thank you so very much. I am very, very grateful. Today, I want to talk about cellulite. Cellulite has been one of the most challenging parts of skincare reaction on skin. It has really made some people lose confidence in their own skin. So you may be wondering, what is cellulite? Cellulite is like a swell-up part, like form of a fat gathering in a body. For example, let me say I have a cellulite here. You will see here become so swell up, gathering up, having some kind of a fat heaping up there. And you may be wondering, what really causes cellulite? Cellulite does not have one particular something that causes it. Or those. One of the most things that I noticed that cause cellulite is fat. Maybe you are adding weight. There, you are gaining weight. You can have cellulite when you are gaining weight. And the other one I also know is all these our skincare products. Maybe you are rubbing some skincare products that contain steroids and contain mercury. It can also give you cellulite on your body also. So if you are already having cellulite and you have been wondering, is this a permanent? Will this thing get away? Especially those of you that love wearing short something and you have cellulite on your hips, you have cellulite on your legs, all those sorts. It will not give you that confidence, all those sorts. It's like it's going to say, what will people say that I'm having cellulite on my legs, all those sorts there. So I'm going to show you a remedy. Don't worry about whether it's permanent or it's not permanent. There is a cure, there is a treatment for cellulite. So today in this video, I'm going to show you the remedy you can use in getting cellulite out of your skin. One of the remedies you can use to get cellulite out of, which is the major one, is apple vinegar. This apple vinegar, the one with the mother, not the undiluted, not the one that has been diluted. This one, the undiluted one, it can get away, it can take away cellulite out of your skin, out of your body, out of your hips. It can take it away, all those ones there. So how are you going to use the cellulite? Are you going to use, are you going to use the apple vinegar to get away cellulite out of your skin? So how are you going to use it? You will turn a teaspoon, or depend on how critical that cellulite is. So you put it on a list, use it to massage. Like now, I'm having a cellulite on this, I've already turned it. I will use it to massage that place that have cellulite on it. By the time I use it to massage it, then you start seeing that after 2 weeks, let me just put it 2 weeks, you start seeing that fat, that swallow part of the body that cause that forms cellulite, you start seeing it melting, start going down, all those sorts. Then you start seeing that cellulite going away. So cellulite is not a permanent something. It's not a permanent skin reaction that you say that I'm going to live with it. There is a cure. There is a treatment for cellulite there. Then the other one you're going to use also is Shenic Perfect Leg. Shenic Perfect Leg also do the magic. Shenic Perfect Leg stage 2 can also remove cellulite out of your skin, all those sorts there. So these are the two things that can take away cellulite